Well, great story from Brittany as we turn our attention to our weather today. And it was so cold this morning, but you had the wind chills making it even colder. And for folks that kind of got used to those near tropical temperatures it seemed like we were experiencing, the whiplash is real.
Yeah, I think that whenever we experience that warm up and then the drastic cool down like this morning, it definitely hurts a little bit more, a bit more of a shock to the system. And that's exactly what happened this morning. Look at the low temperatures. We were down to 23 degrees in Dallas, 20 in Fort Worth, Denton, 21 in McKinney. That's where we started the day off. The wind chills, well, those were in the teens and the single digits, especially when you looked towards the northwest. Now, we are going to see the temperature slowly climb today. Right now, I'm showing you a look of downtown Dallas, and you can see the blue sky overhead. About 28 degrees right now, winds out of the north at 15, bringing down the feels like, or the wind chill, to 17. That's what it feels like whenever you step outside and that wind hits you. So today, the temperature does make it to about 42 degrees in Denton and in McKinney, 41 for Fort Worth and in Dallas. Normal this time of the year is 61. We're about 20 degrees cooler than that for this afternoon. Now tonight, it's still going to be cold. It's not going to be as cold, and it's because of some cloud cover that's moving in. The cloud cover acts like a blanket. It keeps some of that heat trapped at the surface, and that's why we'll be very close to freezing, but I don't think we'll see a widespread freeze. Let's talk about Valentine's Day, because we are going to see more cloud cover moving in. Temperatures are going to climb into the low 50s, but by the time the evening rolls around, a few scattered showers in the forecast, about 49 degrees at 7, 48 degrees around 9. And temperatures are going to climb after that. We'll be close to 70 degrees on Saturday. Now, we're going to feel that warmth like we did last weekend, but a strong cold front then moves in, and that strong cold front brings nearly freezing temperatures for everyone Sunday morning, mid 40s by the afternoon. That cold front also helping bring in the potential for some rain. And as of now, it does look like we could pick up anywhere between a trace to a tenth of an inch of rain, mainly along our eastern counties. Notice how Dallas is included in that, pretty much anywhere along and east of I-35. The more east you are, the more likely you are to see better rain coverage. And with these strong cold fronts and the moisture that's in place, we have the potential to see a few strong to severe storms. Now, the risk is going to be higher for East Texas. A few of our eastern counties, though, included in a marginal level 1 risk. The main concern will be the potential for hail, as well as wind gusts anywhere between 50 to 60 miles per hour. But again, this will be for Saturday afternoon, and it does look like most of us will be dry by that point. Let's show you the timeline of all of this, because I know I just gave you a lot of information. So your time cast around 7 p.m. tonight, you just see some cloud cover. Tonight, you keep seeing the cloud cover. That's why temperatures don't drop to a widespread freeze. Now, tomorrow morning, starting off with some clouds, most of the day, just some clouds. But look at that, a few passing showers, especially into the afternoon and evening time. I'm giving it about a 30% coverage for us, and most of that will be east of I-35. This continues Friday night into Saturday morning. I'm not going to take you to Saturday morning. Saturday morning, we start to see a lot of that rain really focus itself along our eastern counties, all as that strong cold front comes in. That strong cold front will likely help enhance some of these showers and thunderstorms, but by the time it arrives to DFW, it'll be around 4 in the afternoon, and by that point, we'll be on the dry side. But we could see those storms really develop along our eastern counties, and that's when we see that potential for strong to severe storms. But once that front comes in, look at what Sunday morning looks like. 28 degrees in Dallas, 27 in Fort Worth, a widespread freeze with wind chills likely in the teens. Okay, so here's where it gets interesting. Next week, we start to see that warm up again. But middle part of next week, another very strong cold front moves in. And as of now, it looks like we could see some freezing temperatures. At the same time, we see some moisture. That means that we could see some wintry mix. I know, Mark.
I heard it.
You heard it. You heard it here first. It's still a little too early for those exact details, but keep checking back in with us. We'll get more data in the days to come.
1 + 1 might equal 2. We'll find out. All right. Thank you, Marielle.